Max is Solo the Gamer, and I'm resume playing Madden Mobile. So far, I'm beating the Ravens 14-0. My team still sucks. Let me see. I haven't read one of my items. It's a pack. I don't want a bronze trophy. Oh yeah, I could use it for something good. Okay, so I'm gonna do a long pass. I'm gonna do a Hail Mary. See if my wide receivers are good enough. Oh. No, I didn't want to pass it to him. I wanted to pass to A. Not to whatever I forgot that was. I'll do that one. Let's see, I'll pass it to him. I'll pass it B. Hankin? I think that's his name was. Go. He's gonna catch it. Caught it. Yes! First down. I'm gonna beat them. Okay, let's see what kind of runs I got. I'm gonna do the HB toss. Okay. Hopefully this goes good. Juke him. Oh, I almost juked him.
Wait, you watched it a lot, right?
Nope, I never watch it.
Okay, so I'm gonna do the FL drag. I'll pass it to my right there, right open. Please get to me out. Yes, it is. Touchdown! Touchdown! What? That was a touchdown. Oh, okay, they called it. Okay. Hopefully this time it doesn't freeze on me like the last time I did a YouTube video. It froze on me. Okay, good. My kicker sucks. Dirty, but at least he made it though. The Ravens are trash. They're like real trash. Get it. Get the ball. No! Dang it. If I would have got the ball, then I could have scored another touchdown. I'm gonna try to sack. No, dang it. Get him. That was a good tackle. I'm gonna blitz on him again. Okay. This guy looks fat. And he looks slow. Yes!
I tried to do shut up.
Okay. Let's see if he could sack this time. Got you good.
How about slap my butt?
So, my team still sucks. I'm trying to upgrade it.
Watch that. Give me here.
Hurry up. Go. Okay. He won't do it. He didn't do the punt. Why didn't he do the punt? I would have blocked it. Dang, it's only the third quarter. I'm doing good for my first game. I'm doing good. All right. Kick return's gonna be good. It's gonna be really good. I didn't even make it to the 30-yard line. And who cares? Cause I'm gonna win anyways. Unless they come like real good. Unless they come back like real good. Hank him. Oh, he's gonna catch and take it all the way for the touchdown. First play, and it's a touchdown.
The mall?
Okay.
Close the door.
No, it's gonna hit the post. No, it hit the post. See, my kicker sucks. He can't even make it into the field goal. Well, that was kind of my fault, but like, still, like, he shouldn't have hit the post. Well, he could have hit the inside of the post so it could go back in. Ooh, he got trucked hard. I'm always gonna be going for that blitz. Cause the blitz. Ooh, interception right there. No, how did he catch that? Okay, they're like at the 50-yard line, something like that. I guess that time the blitz didn't work. Oh, I got it right on the 50-yard line. Oh, they're gonna run all straight. Got him. Sack.
My mom's door is in my house.
Turn that down. I'm gonna come through the middle. Intercepted. Oh, you could have intercepted that. You could have intercepted that. Okay. Block it. Dang it. No. No. I don't want to do a fair catch. Get it. Oh, it's going to be bad. Dang it. Who cares? I'm about to... Oh, Swider's kind of good, but like not really. Ooh, hey. Oh, dang it. He do it kind of curved. Oh yeah, but he could still score that touchdown. He could still score that touchdown. And it's a touchdown. Okay, I'm gonna go for that field goal. Oh my God.
My cousin's single. You want Marcus? I'm not single. I got take
Okay, I'm gonna kick it off. Man, I've been kicking it off the whole game. The Ravens suck.
So that's where you put the cockroach.
Okay. So now I'm gonna do my coverage. Like in all my videos, y'all will barely see me. See my coverage. See, I already do my coverage, cause it doesn't really work that good. See, look, I mostly do blitz most of the time, so I can like sack the quarterback. Like, oh, get him. Oh man, you shouldn't have done that. Interception right there. What? I should have intercepted that and take it back for the pick six, like how you did on the first 2 quarters.
Let me eat little fight.
No. Intercepted. Oh my God, how did he intercept that? Oh, fumble, get it. Okay, I'm ending the video here. Remember to subscribe. Bye.